Okay, folks, here we have a 4x30 2012 model, 125 pound gun barrel vessel. Unit appears to be in really good shape. Solid. It is missing some sight glass there. Also over here it's missing its sight glasses, and also down at the bottom. So but minor stuff. Steel looks in good condition. These are 1/4 inch tops. The sides are 3/16, and unit appears to be in really good shape. See if we can look at the bottom here. Look at that bottom. Oh yeah, pretty. All right, let's see if we can get some data over here. Manufactured by Patterson out of Artesia, New Mexico, and manufactured in September of 2012. Holds 64 barrels, and there you have it.